Good morning everybody. Today I am going to explain you implicit function in differentiation. Okay, this is a very interesting topic, and first of all I will explain you what is implicit function. Suppose we have y equal to x plus x square plus 3. So now you observe here y variable on the left side and on the right hand side only the x terms. So that means it is explicit function. What function? Explicit function. If I write this function y equal to x plus xy plus y square x square, and now you observe y left hand side, but x and y both the variables are mixed up on the right hand side. So that means they are mixed up. That is known as implicit function. What is implicit function? So now we are going to find the differentiation of this kind of problem, that is the implicit function. Understand? So now I take a problem of implicit function. Suppose xy equal to x square y plus y square x. This is the problem. What kind of problem? First of all you check implicit function. It means x and y are mixed up. So now differentiating with respect to x. Then what is? There are two function in multiplication. There are also two function in multiplication. So when the two functions are in multiplication, we will apply product rule. What is the product rule? First, differentiation of second, differentiation of first, x is 1 equal to, now x square, differentiation of y, that is d upon dx of y, plus y, and you know x square differentiation, that is 2x, plus another term y square, x differentiation is 1, and plus x, and then y square 2y and d upon dx of y. So remember one thing, y square differentiation you know 2y, but again we are doing the differentiation of y with respect to x, that means d upon dx of y. So we can write this one, x into dy upon dx plus y equal to x square dy upon dx plus 2xy plus y square plus 2xy dy upon dx. And after that we will separate dy upon dx and dy upon dx term on the left hand side, taking left hand side dy upon dx x. This one is minus x square dy upon dx. This one is minus 2xy dy upon dx equal to the rest of the terms taking on the right hand side. What is this right hand side? 2xy plus y square, and this y taking minus y, that side on the right hand side. And now we further simplify. What is common in this one? X common and dy upon dx common. What is left? 1 minus x minus 2y equal to, what is common here? Y common. The left is 2x plus y minus 1, and then we want dy upon dxy 2x plus y minus 1 upon x 1 minus x minus 2y. So now this is the differentiation of an implicit function. Now I'm taking another question from the exercise. Wait. Exercise 5.3. This is the problem, exercise. Question number 2. 2x plus 3y equal to sin y. Now differentiating with respect to x. Before differentiation, you check what kind of problem is this. This is the implicit function. The reason is y and y they are mixed up with x. We cannot separate y because here is y, here is the sin y. That's the problem. So now what is differentiation? 2 x differentiation is 1 plus 3, and what is y? You know differentiation of y with respect to x, dy upon dx equal to sin differentiation cos y, again d upon dx of y. And now you further simplify cos y dy upon dx, and 3y taking that side. It is common. Dy upon dx is common, that is y. And now you find out dy upon dx equal to 2 upon cos y minus 3. I hope you understood this problem. And now you try in this exercise from question number 1, 3 and question 5. These 4 problems you try to solve. Okay, thank you.